Hello Cherries viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama come about Sandy Home Recipe. And they can share a video. Remember subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The best you say better chicken stew. Me yes I stew na me tasty and it tastes really nice. It's eno na ye beye. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients in now. Here starts. Ube blend with ginger, garlic, bell pepper, anise, rosemary. We are now with the sing. What blend with tomatoes? You use fresh tomatoes. We are now some blend onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, anise, rosemary. Na and also with the sing. Into a chicken no near the first mixture near the egg. We are now the all pepper season aka ho. Chicken season aka ho. Salt to taste. We dey sugar cry the aka ho. What mixing now together? We just for bear 10 to 20 minutes and sana we dey akwesi jar so. We are now one noa e wo jar so. Wo no wa biesu wanum se de ni nyina ebe steamy ye. Aha no abin na waye esinche na wakwa akwachi wo medium hot oil mu. Wo ho an wada ne da se de enhye na ni nyina so bebe mpe. Ano aye ready na waye esinche rubber for ye ne so. What the oil begu sauce spice jasum. Edra now they make spices egum. Watch mo kakra. And sana how they chop onion egum. Ubechi chop onion mo kakra. And sana what the other ingredients na den egum. Then watch here no. Now the pepper mixture na den abegum. One mixing na together. Na we just so kakra. And sana ato aso. What the tomato paste egum. Watch mo kakra. All the blended tomatoes and sana how they chop tomatoes aka ho. We are not the sugar cregu. One mixing now together. No way just see supposed to my baby. But oh no wa check it. Aha no, now the chicken stock na eden egum. Tembia say unum say that say enhye. Please if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Ma are you ready? Now the spices negum. Or salt, nutmeg, or pepper spices. come on, now the pepper, bell pepper, spring onion, egumu. Ba e optional umpa de engum. Ba di gumu so e ma for any de yi. Chicken now which you see one now the egum. One mixing in air together. Now I'm an kakra and sana watch. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Aha no, are you ready? Unya emo a, what the beka ho de edi. Me ye we na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our chicken stew recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.